So let's talk about the sales tools that you'll need to run Bridgepoint's system. First, you need a company brochure. If you don't have one yet, this should be a top priority. In the meantime, you can always use a list of services that can be created on any computer. The brochure needs to contain a list of your services. You will also need a mobile device capable of accessing the internet and streaming video at a reasonable speed. To access the Sales Tools training site, just access interlinksupply.com and find the icon that says Training and Sales Tools. This icon will take you to the training section. This part of the Interlink Supply website is dedicated to training and sales tools. It would be worthwhile to browse this site to understand the tremendous amount of material that is there. But for today, we'll focus on the promotional videos. Actually, it's a good idea to place a shortcut on the desktop of your device that will take you directly to this site. Now click the icon that says Promotional and Sales Videos. Next, click the Residential Promotional Video. Now you're at the menu of the residential video commercials that you can show your customers. Pretty easy, right? If you're viewing this video on an actual DVD, you have your own mobile device or tablet with you, stop the video and follow the instructions to bring up the actual site on interlinksupply.com. If you're already viewing this video on the internet, you're already there. The point of this exercise is to practice accessing this site quickly so you can use it in the homes of your customers. Let's go through the steps of using the videos with your customers. Then we will watch a technician do it with his customer. First, ask permission to show Mrs. Brown the list of services that your company offers. Next, pick out a service that you think might interest her. Simply look around the house. Notice if she has pets, hardwood floors, tiles, rugs, etc. Ask if she would like to see a short video about the service that you have picked.
Mrs. Larson, I noticed you have a lot of hardwood surfaces. What are you doing to maintain those?
I'm cleaning them once a week with some product I get at the grocery store.
Well, Mrs. Larson, I'm not sure if you know this, but one of our services that we offer is wood floor maintenance. I brought a short video I'd like to show you. Do you have a moment to take a look?
Sure, I'll look at that. Thanks.
Tell her that you will be taking measurements or getting something from the truck while she watches. Time it so you'll be back right when she finishes the video. Before we move to the section on completing the sale, at some point you should point out to your customer that you have videos on your other services as well, and that she's welcome to use your device if she would like to check out some of your other services.
Mrs. Larson, while I'm going out to set up to clean your hardwood surfaces, I'd like you to take a look at some of the other services that we do offer, and if there's anything that I can help you out with, just feel free to come out and grab me, and I'll go ahead and I'll begin doing that for you as well while I'm here.
So I can just click on these different video icons to see what you do?
Actually, it'll show you everything, and it'll show the services and some of the benefits and perks behind it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
All right. Hey, thanks, Ms. Larson.
Too often a technician will let the customer know about a service, but he won't go through the final steps to actually complete the sale. Let's go through the steps to follow after the customer has seen the video. Then we'll watch our technician as he works with his customer. If the customer likes the video, then offer to do a demonstration or test where appropriate. It's easy to do a soil load test for upholstery or the carpet square test for Maxim Protector. It's a little more difficult to do a demonstration on our hardwood floor because it will be too time consuming and there will be such a stark difference in the test area. The promotional videos are meant to create interest in the customer. You will need to give the specifics of the service and answer the questions for the customers. We will have a complete complement of technical training videos on the same site. We're constantly adding content to this site, so we don't expect it to be ever totally finished. Your company should have a price list prepared so you can quote a price for the service. Asking for the business is simple and it's crucial to your success. Use simple phrases like, "Would you like me to go ahead with that service today? May I do that for you, Mrs. Brown? Do you have time for me to clean your upholstery today, or would it be better to schedule another appointment?" If possible, it's always better to do the additional service now rather than later. It increases the odds that you will actually be able to do the work. Therefore, it's a good idea to give her a reason to buy it today.
Would you like us to do that today, or do you want to set a later appointment? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should save up and do it in a few weeks.
Okay. If you'd like to do it today, it'll actually save me time and gas money. I can give you an extra $35 off.
Wow. Do you take a credit card?